Komama Lakau, you doing good? I'm making enough GOLLAI ÅPPAN aga or bananas and coconut milk for lunch and to feed my freezer. We'll use 8 to 9 cooking bananas or plantains. Just remove the ends. I'm cutting these into thirds, then into halves because the plantains will fit better in my freezer containers. This batch today is 3 times my GOLLAI ÅPPAN aga recipe in my cookbook, A Taste of Guam. I've also linked a printable recipe in the description and at the end. After slicing, peel the skins off and set in a bowl. All of my Guam recipes are printable from my website, paulaq.com. We love this Chamorro recipe for bananas and coconut milk. It's the perfect amount of sweetness and coconut goodness that coats the softened bananas. Pour about a third of the coconut milk into a cold pot. I'm using a total of 40.5 ounces or 1.18 liters. Then add half the sugar. I'm using a total of 6 tablespoons or 75 grams of sugar. And chuck in a sprinkle of cinnamon. Add half the plantains. Another third of the coconut milk. And the rest of the sugar. And more cinnamon. Top with remaining plantains. And the last of the coconut milk. Gently move the plantains around to combine. Cover and bring to a simmer. Move the plantains again to ensure the plantains don't stick to the bottom of the pot. Simmer for 15 minutes and check plantains and move around again. Continue to simmer until the plantains are soft and the coconut milk has thickened to your liking. We love ours with extra kaddu or soup, and this will thicken as it cools. Place the finished GOLLAI ÅPPAN aga in portion-sized containers in the fridge, then freeze the next day. I hope I've satisfied your Guam recipe cravings. Don't forget to check out my other Chamorro food videos. Si Duas Maasi, Zana Dios hasta aquí.